welcome to the video. This is a unit converter which I have prepared in Microsoft Excel, and it is a very useful converter for mechanical HVAC engineers. For air, you can see here we have liter per second to CFM conversion. All we have to do is to enter our liters per second, and it gives us the CFM. If we have cubic meter per second of airflow and we want to convert it into CFM, we can convert it here. Then we have CFM to cubic meter per second conversion, and then we have the cubic meter per hour to the liters per second. We have velocity converter from meter per second to FPM. The other units also, liter per second to cubic meter per hour to cubic meter per second, and so on. These are very useful conversions which we use day to day as and mechanical HVAC engineer. Then we have the water flow conversion, liter per second to GPM, liters per hour to GPM, liters per minute to GPM, GPM to cubic meters per hour, GPM to liters per minute, GPM to liters per second. Capacity we can convert from kilowatt to MVH. Temperature conversions, converting from degree centigrade to degree Fahrenheit and vice versa. All you have to do is to remove these values and just put on your desired value, which needs to be converted, and it gives us the converted and it gives us value in degree centigrade. Then for pressure we have kPa to feet of water conversion, from pascals to inches of water gauge, and then kPa to bar, kPa to feet of water. And then we have area from square millimeter to square feet, square meter to square feet. And then we have the air changes per hour to CFM calculations. Here we have area, like if we have the area of 100 square feet and we have a ceiling height of 9 feet and we have then air changes of 10, it gives us 150 CFM. The formula is already entered. Let's say we have 150 square foot of area, ceiling height is 7.5 feet, air change is required is 6, and it comes us to be 112.5 CFM. For enthalpy conversion, we can convert from kilojoule per kilogram of dry air to BTU per pound of dry air. In order to download this Excel file, refer to the first comment on description of this video.